Yo, if you're dunce, ignorant, racist, lame, sensitive, and you're a little pitney, just come right off of that video, yeah. Zine, don't take that video too seriously.
Hey guys, my name is Anthony Tracey, and today we're gonna do the smash or pass challenge.
So you're not introducing me?
And we have my lovely guest, Sashawna Thompson. And today we're gonna do the smash or pass challenge. You know, a lot of you guys have been requesting this, and we have it here for you right now. Trying to ease yourself now. Alright, so you start it off.
Alright, basically the game is basically if you would have sex or not with the person. Almost easy.
Wow!
I've met them know what. Anyways.
Let's start it off, man.
Alright, first person, Gaza Slim. Smash or pass? Smash.
Shout something
Smash,
nice. Yeah,
I mean, should decent.
Yeah, you know. Gully bop.
Boom! Every girl want to walk off of me.
Yeah.
Boom! Every girl say they want piece of me. Boom!
That pass gone. Still what? No. Like, I couldn't get past it.
Where am we going on Gully
I
bop?
couldn't even kiss it with the teeth. Your one is Macadamia.
What's that?
Shall we go good?
How about that fuck today?
Die.
That video they scar me for life, yo. Johnny was star.
She might be the best thing ever in my life.
No, sir, she give me erectile dysfunction. Ease yourself. Dexter Daps.
Yeah, him sexy, him eyes, him lips. But I bring off peace.
Lamborghini Mercy, yo chick she so thirsty.
Oh, Denny.
Definitely.
Denny
Sexy
body
girl,
good.
sexy girl.
She can't dress. That
Yeah,
was an
man.
easy one.
Sexy girl, man. Sexy girl. Alkaline.
I have this hidden thing, but I'm sorry. If I smash, because him just like, him have this thing at first, I'd be like, lad, no, but him just have this little swag. I don't know.
Six, come on. Touch me, look come here.
It just,
I brought her, she look for.
it just have this thing. I don't know if because I'm swag or I'm lyrics, I don't know, but it just have this allure. Fuck.
I'll tell the Miguel send it up in there. Oh, gosh.
Continue. It's sick, my stomach. I can't pay the same way again. Honestly.
Never should have body that time. Okay. Would I think about it hard one day? And then would I think about it harder? Would I do it or mamba? Or would I not do it? I'm not saying would I split or so, but you know if I'm do some charming and
So hold on. So you're going to concert, see you, say yo, wanna fuck that girl?
No, I can't say do it. But with charms and with like, you know, constant dating, he could have.
A little Spanish fly.
Yeah, with everybody in this list, it's not just like, oh, I see you, I'm gonna smash you. It's gonna be some courtship.
Oh, when they be like,
Did she just say yes to Spanish fly?
What is the Spanish fly? What's the Spanish fly?
continue.
Are you turn off? Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, why not? Why you wanna fuck her?
I mean, she like when I'm sneaking the other. Well,
But I just fuck her like someone in a relationship with her. But hey, just get the sweetest fuck, make sure right some
I mean, she pretty. What could have done with that?
Oh my
Over
god.
there and sung by your Efra and Bieber.
Shall I give me some of the royalties?
Shut
that
much
though?
drama. Shut
I'll
much
give you some of
drama.
the royalties. Meek Mill. Why?
No. Him just, I don't know, he's attractive to me.
Why, can you give a Donkey Kong?
He was good enough for Nikki.
Yeah, for Nikki, but not for me. We have two different standards.
Shit.
I'm just saying like, I don't find him lyrics good. I don't see nothing about him. That's it. With Alkaline, I don't find him attractive, but him just have this thing with him lyrics and this, so I just find him bad enough for smash. But with me, there's nothing.
Yeah, alright. Alkaline, if you watch a video, you know, Sashawna Thompson, she want a piece, big up yourself.
No, I feel that. The last one on my list, Spice. man.
You think you could handle that, brother?
He could handle that. If him say pass, I can't.
Left, right.
Yeah.
Indicate.
I can't angle it, then pass it. The batty, yeah?
Well, you know, I like a challenge. But no, pass. It's not you, Spice. It's me. It's me, Spice.
Spice is kind of can't angle you. You're too good for him.
Pass.
Alright, that's it.
No. You have one too. J. Cole.
Smash.
Alright.
Smash.
I can't listen to your tune them again, dog. Can't listen to them again. Alright, well, that
Remember
was...
J. Cole too.
So, on that note, you know, they never did somebody, give never somebody, right? So, if anything, touch the subscribe button, like and share, big up yourself, enough love. Tune in for more videos. Maybe see a real Jamaican girl video. Maybe you see a work in progress made in Jamaica. You never know with this group. So, thanks, sign off. Peace. Big up.
Follow me on all my...
Don't follow
You leave
her.
them in the description.
Don't follow her. Don't follow her.
Follow me.
Don't follow her.
I'll follow you.
Glad you hear them, son, you know? Yeah. Alright. Done.